Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good day everyone. So I am now presenting to you the Aliwagwag Protected Landscape, which is one of the protected areas under the NIPAS or and expanded NIPAS law in the Philippines. This area is known not only for its natural beauty but also for its ecological importance in fish. The official name of the protected area is Aliwagwag Protected Landscape. It was officially declared as a protected area on April 5, 2011 through a presidential proclamation and later included under the expanded NIPAS Act of 2018. The Aliwagwag Protected Landscape is located in the province of Davao Oriental and Davao de Oro in Mindanao. It covers more than 10,000 hectares and is situated within the mountainous areas of Catel, Boston, and Compostela. It is also a part of the Eastern Mindanao Biodiversity Corridor, which contains one of the largest remaining rainforest areas in the Philippines. This protected area is classified as a protected landscape which falls under IUCN Category 5, and it is categorized this way because it is not only preserved for biodiversity but also allows sustainable human interaction such as agriculture, local community use, and the this also balance between conservation, human activities, and the main reason for its classification. One of the most notable features of these areas is the Aliwagwag Falls, which is considered the highest waterfall in the Philippines, with multiple cascading tears. Aside from this area is also includes rivers, forest, and mountainous ecosystem that support rich biodiversity. In terms of flora, the landscape is dominated by tropical lowland forest, as well as mountain and mossy forest in a higher elevation. It is also home to large native trees, such as the Philippine rosewood or toog, local name toog, which also among the tallest trees in the country. For the fauna, the area supports a wide variety of wildlife, including endangered and endemic species. Some examples include the Philippine eagle, Philippine hawk eagles, and the other rare birds that you can only find in this area. Studies also recorded that more than 100 species of beetles, showing that the area's rich biodiversity. Some of the Aliwagwag includes the river systems, the waterfalls, and the dense forest. It also serves as a major watershed, supplying water for irrigation in the nearby communities. Because of this, it also plays as a crucial role, and not only in the diversity but also in the supporting human livelihood. This area is home also to some members of the Mandaya indigenous community who practice traditional farming. In terms of ecotourism, visitors can enjoy activities such as trekking, river exploration, bird watching, and visiting the famous waterfalls. These activities also promote sustainable tourism while helping the local communities in the area. In conclusion, the Aliwagwag Protected Landscape or the Aliwagwag Waterfalls is an important protected area because it preserves biodiversity, support our local communities, and provide essential ecosystem services like water supply and others. It's also protecting the areas like this ensures that the future generation can still benefit from these natural resources for by protecting it or by putting it into the protected area.